Hey everybody, we are back at video number, where are we? Looks like we're at video number 7. We're going to be talking about sorting data. So this is a pretty quick one. It's a very useful function when you're using uh, Excel for any sort of statistical analysis or any sort of data analysis. So first thing you want to do is you want to go up to all your toolbars in the toolbar menu. You want to select the data toolbar, and I went ahead and selected all my data within the calories subset of my data. And so what I'm going to do is I selected everything that I wanted to look at, and I'm going to sort it. And notice that there's lots of different things I could sort by: the at-home calories, the nutrient group, the by title. We could do it alphabetically. So I'm going to choose total calories. I just want to see which group today has got the highest total calories. And if you look, total calories is in column B. So I'm going to select column B. It's going to look at the cell values, which just means what numbers in my cell. And then I'm going to go, say I want to solve for which group has the most calories. Then I'll do largest to smallest because that will put that group right up at the top. So let's go ahead and perform this operation. And if you see, I have sorted the data, and the titles have stayed with it. And all the other, all the other data has stayed with the sorted data so that I can look at now which subset is getting the highest. And it looks like adults are getting the most. So there we go. We've answered our question.